Let's learn concatenate function. Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be diving into a powerful function called concatenate. This function allows you to combine text from different cells into a single cell. We'll explore various examples to demonstrate its usage and potential. To begin, let's take a look at the syntax of the concatenate function. In its simplest form, the syntax is as follows: equals concatenate, text 1, text 2. You can include up to 255 text arguments within this function. Here's an example where we have names split into different cells. We want to combine them into a single cell using concatenate. In cell C2, let's type equals concatenate, A2 comma double quote space double quote comma B2. This function joins the contents of cell A2, a space, and the contents of cell B2. As you can see, the concatenate function combines the text from cells A2 and B2 into cell C2. Now, let's drag the formula down to apply it to the remaining rows. Perfect. Now we have the full names in column C. But what if you want to add a delimiter between the text? For instance, instead of a space, you might prefer a comma or a hyphen. In this example, we'll modify our concatenate function slightly. In cell D2, type equals concatenate, A2 comma double quote comma double quote comma double quote space double quote comma B2. Here, we've introduced a comma as a delimiter. Notice how the text from cells A2 and B2 is now combined with a comma and a space between them. Feel free to experiment with different delimiters to suit your needs. Another way to achieve the same result is by using the ampersand symbol. It acts as a concatenation operator in Excel. Let's modify the formula in cell D2 by replacing equals concatenate with equals A2 ampersand double quote comma double quote ampersand double quote space double quote ampersand B2. As you can see, the result is the same, but this time, we used the ampersand symbol to concatenate the text. It's a matter of personal preference whether you choose to use concatenate or the ampersand. Now, let's move on to a slightly more complex example. Here, we have first names, last names, and email domains in separate columns. We want to combine them into a single email address. To achieve this, we can use concatenate and the ampersand together. In cell D2, type equals concatenate, A2 comma double quote dot dub quote comma B2 comma double quote at double quote comma C2. This formula combines the first name, a dot, the last name, an at symbol, and the email domain. Amazing! Now we have the complete email addresses in column D. Remember, you can apply the same formula to all rows by dragging it down. That wraps up our tutorial on the concatenate function in Excel. You've learned how to use this powerful function to combine text from different cells and how to include delimiters. Whether you prefer using concatenate or the ampersand, both methods achieve the same result. As always, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and try using the concatenate function in your own spreadsheets. To learn such more powerful tool for searching and retrieving data from tables based on specific criteria, please follow my LinkedIn page. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos.